How to change the sharpen of your video clips or footage in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Make sure your video clip is selected and highlighted. Just to go down and scroll to the right, you see the option Adjust, next Video Quality and Auto Reframe. You want to scroll to the right and you see the option Sharpen, HSL, and Brilliance. If we go down to the bottom left hand screen, we can this slider icon or this circle icon to the right, and notice that our video clip has now successfully been sharpened. Happy or satisfied, click the check mark at the bottom hand screen, or apply to all if you want to apply this effect to all video clips and footage. This is what we have. I say this is the before. This is the after. Notice a little bit of a difference of the building, how it's popping out completely for free in Capcut Mobile.